guys, what's going on? So we are here at Trimble booth, and we're going to talk about the HoloLens. So I'm Andrew, and this is Jordan. Nice to meet you. So Jordan, tell us a little bit about Trimble and what the technology is coming out.
Yeah, so Trimble's a relatively large company, about 10,000 employees. We've been around for a very long time, creating all kinds of solutions for a variety of industries. Specifically, what I'm showing here at the booth today is our mixed reality portfolio.
Okay.
So if you're unfamiliar with mixed reality, it's very similar to augmented reality. It's essentially the idea of being able to wear a heads-up display and allow it to give you information or some kind of 3D data on top of your world. So, of course, in geospatial and scanning, or even in the construction industry where we're creating a lot of BIM for various different trades or architectural models, we spend a lot of time and a lot of money either creating or capturing 3D data. But up until now, we haven't had great ways of consuming that 3D data. So what a device like HoloLens is giving us the ability to do is to take that type of data off of blueprints, off of computer screens, and actually visualize it out on the real world in front of us.
Is visualization two-way? Say, for example, you're getting this overlaying what, BIM data or Revit data like that on the actual site?
Yeah, so in the case of our solution, Trimble Connect, it's basically a catch-all of data, so it doesn't matter if you're in SketchUp or Tekla or Revit, Navisworks, etc. You can bring all that different data together into one kind of cloud source, and then that BIM data comes out into the HoloLens, which allows you to accurately align that data onto your site. So we have lots of customers, general contractors, MEP subcontractors, structural engineers, construction management companies, using that today both before install for kind of pre-construction walkthroughs, just visualizing, okay, where are we putting things, to identify clashes before they actually get out there to install, and then during the install phase to actually show them where to install, and then once they're done installing, to make sure that things went in the correct spot, to do good EPC validation, kind of punch list checks, and then even 10 years later being able to come into an existing facility and essentially have X-ray vision through the walls. Say if you want to come in and do a renovation, you can essentially take your old BIM data from 10 years ago, you can overlay it onto your structure, you can see, okay, before we even tear drywall off, what's behind this wall, where our facility is running through here.
So I have a question with that. So with as-built buildings, you never use BIM, for example, in my country, right? A lot of high-rises never got the process. Would I be able to upload or take the whatever blueprints they have those drawn up in AutoCAD, and then just be able to use the HoloLens to go into a building and see what's going on?
Yeah, exactly. So some of the workflows that we're seeing in buildings like that, where they don't have that, they were built 100 years ago, they don't have BIM, right? Is they'll use some of these other solutions like the TX8 to go in and do a laser scan of that building. Once you have a laser scan, you can do a point cloud to BIM workflow to then get it into BIM data, and then once that spits out that nice polygon-based model into OBJ or whatever the file format is, bring it in Trimble Connect, bring it in mixed reality, and overlay it onto your existing facility.
So I'm not familiar with HoloLens, how much they have, how many devices they have in production. Is this out already in the field? Is it getting used already?
Yeah, absolutely. So HoloLens is a Microsoft device. So it was created by Microsoft. It's been out. It just hit the 2-year anniversary. They haven't come out with exact numbers as to what their exact sales have been, but it's, walk across the show floor, there's at least 50 in this building right now. It's becoming pretty ubiquitous in the enterprise market. They're not targeting consumer AR yet. It's very much in AEC, manufacturing, a lot of it in automotive manufacturing. So yeah, that's HoloLens. It's a $5,000 device from Microsoft. What we bring to the table, we're one of the first enterprise partners with Microsoft on the HoloLens project. We've been working with them for over 4 years now. So we co-developed a hard hat integration for HoloLens with them. So if you just buy a HoloLens, it's essentially.
So let's put this on and see what happens.
Yeah, so the application that I've got you in there is the Trimble Connect app. So that's our on-site utility. So especially if you kind of look out in this direction, you should see some MEP data. So in this case, you're actually standing in a variety of models kind of overlaid with each other that are from one of our buildings in Denver that we're building.
Okay.
And so Obviously, it would make a bit more sense if we were actually standing on that construction site.
Yes.
But in this case, you're essentially visualizing the data as we would if we were standing out on that site, overlaid, doing those pre-construction or post-construction walkthroughs.
Oh, awesome. So here's another question. For example, you have an architecture engineer in another country. You can have them interact with architects on site and physically see what they're seeing.
Yep, exactly. So that's what we would consider remote collaboration. So if you have multiple devices, whether we're standing around a table with each other, or you're in Kenya and I'm here in Los Angeles, we could be interacting with that model together.
So another question, with AR, would you, as an engineer, be able to interact with the visualization?
Yeah, so it's a minor amount of interaction today. You can't edit the data. So for example, you couldn't come into your Revit model and make changes to the model. But you could click on things to pull their properties. You could take measurements. You could go through and log RFIs or do punch lists so that you are kind of doing your day-to-day work on the model. But the workflow to say, make a change. Say you found a clash and you wanted to log an RFI. You wouldn't make that change in the HoloLens. You would log it, you would say pin it to a column and say, hey, there's an issue with this column. You tag that to your guy back in the office. He would get a ping through the cloud. He'd make the change in the office and then update the data back to you.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'm so excited to find out about this information. Like I said, I'm in the process of trying to move back to my country, set up a consultation firm, and of course, learning what software businesses would like to interact with or do business with. And I think this is something that's really great that I think we can do. So I'm excited.
Great.
Definitely.
Nice to meet you.
Education.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Do you have a flyer about anything I can read and take with me?
So this is our website there. So that's mixed reality based. So everything we're doing around HoloLens and augmented.